Another exciting installment of SCCBL action as the Palm Springs Power take on the Southern California Catch. Jake Patterson posting 4 1/3 solid innings of work, giving up only 3 hits. On the offensive side, the Power advanced Caleb Foster to third base on a wild pitch, and Colby Foppe brings it home, driving in Foster. The Power up 2-0. Strizak steps in with relief, but Josh Rojas strokes the ball for a 3-run homer. The Catch climb to a 3-2 lead. In the bottom of the 6th, Taylor Grace gets a 3 RBI stand-up triple. At the end of the 6th, the Power are on top, 8-3. The Catch tie things up later in the strong 5-run 9th. In an extra innings, Jaden France, the pinch hitter, hits a 2-run shot, putting the Catch up 10-8. The Power post one more run but can't make up the deficit. The series is now split 1-1 with a score of SoCal Catch 10, Palm Springs Power 9.